Previously on the adventures of Caillou and his friends. When Caillou and Rosie is yawing and I'm going to school and watch BFDI 14 in class. And getting angry message. And go bed now. And cries now. Well, this is season 1 episode 4 coughed in the Sheesh part 1.
Ark, this is my Caillou's computer. Let's play Minecraft.
When Caillou I finished to play Minecraft.
Yay, I finished play to Minecraft, yay. This is the best day ever.
When asked Boris to shut down Cartoonito and gets angry message to Boris. Caillou is going to shut down Cartoonito and gets angry message.
Yes, is going to shut down Cartoonito and getting angry message.
Okay, fine.
When Caillou is going to a Cartoonito HQ.
I shut down Cartoonito. I'm shutting down Cartoonito. Ha ha, now time to go home.
To be continued. See you in the part 2.